Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video, I will discuss 7 practical tips to achieve a positive mindset. In my channel, not all the time I'm just discussing about computer programming, software engineering, or technology, but also I'm discuss also positive or traits or attitude, how we can improve ourselves. So before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let us discuss the 7 practical tips to achieve a positive mindset. Tip number 1, start the day with a positive affirmation. Most of the time, when we wake up, for example in the morning, it is very important for us to have a positive mindset, to start our day with a positive thought. What I'm trying to say is that even though we have problems in life, we try to make ourselves to think that every day is a new day, that we can improve ourselves, that we can do something new. Because if we think negatively when we wake up in the morning, the whole day is not good to us. Problems are typically part of our lives. We cannot escape problems, trials in our lives. What is important is that we feel good when we wake up. Because if we feel good when we wake up and then having a positive attitude, our whole day activities will be easier for us, because we think with good things in the day. That's number 1. Tip number 1, start the day with a positive affirmation. Tip number 2, focus on the good things, however small. Well, day to day we face different kinds of challenges, trials, and tests. We look small things or big things in life, focus on the positive side or good things. When we encounter such challenge or problem, focus on the benefits that we can get. No matter how small it is, there is a good thing that we can find. For example, if we go to on our work and then we stuck in a traffic, what we can do, we can rant about the traffic problem that we encounter. How about we want to listen to music, or we read a tutorial from our phone or tablet, for example. Not only that we are waiting that our waiting that our vehicle will move forward, but also we learn, we make ourselves productive during the traffic. Not only we learn something, a food or for thought for our brain, but also we can spend quality time with ourselves, also learning something new. That's number 2, focus on good things, however small. Number 3, find humor in bad situation. Well, sometimes we encounter problems that we get mad, easily get angry most of the time. But if we see that particular problem or situation, we can find some humor and simple, and we can say we can smile to that particular problem. For example, you spill your coffee on the table, by accident. Basically, we get mad to ourselves. But if we can smile and then, okay, I will clean the table where the coffee is being spilled, we we can avoid a bad behavior of us because we make it as a humor rather than we get mad on that very small problem that we have. So that's number 3 example. Find humor in bad situation. Number 4 tip, turn failures into lessons. In life, if we don't encounter failures, we are not growing. A relative of mine tells me experience is a best teacher. We make bad decisions, failures, we can learn from it, we can avoid that particular bad decisions, and then that lesson can help us in our near future decision making. It it is good to taste success if we know that the success that we are enjoying right now came from our sacrifices, trials that we surpass in our lives. That's number 4. Turn failures into lessons. Number 5. Transform negative self-talk into positive self-talk. Negative self-talk, I can say self-pity. Most Almost all of us, there is a certain period of our lives that we are feel sorry about ourselves. Sometimes we are not performing well in our work or business, or our plans did not materialize. We are very down, we are very sad. But if we say bad things about ourselves, we are just the one who pulled down ourselves. What other will think of us? We are a weak person. But if we have a positive thought or mindset, we can say, well, it is a part of our lives. We make failures. I have to encourage myself to become positive person, work hard on my goals in life. Gradually, in our small little ways, we can make some progress. And then, we inspire other people to to give a good practical example to them that they can also achieve our achievements along the way, because we are giving a positive vibes to them, or good example. So that's number 5, transform negative self-talk into a positive talk. Number 6 tip, focus on the present. Most of the time we are thinking about the future, but the future has many circumstances that we cannot avoid. It can change dramatically tomorrow, but the best thing to have a positive mindset is the present. If somebody make a mistake on you, forgive them, be cautious, and then be good to others. Because if we put a negative thought at present time to ourselves or to other people, we can destroy a good relationship with them, and then we can destroy ourselves along the way. Most sources of negatively stem in our memory or recent events in our lives, and then it is being exaggerated by our imagination, that we are thinking, what will people say if I make this decision? For myself, for example, when I started making video tutorials in YouTube, my purpose is not to earn money, but to share my knowledge to other people. that we want to learn about computer programming. I don't care with other people says that I'm not very good in my English pronunciation, English grammar. What is important for me is that I can impart my knowledge and skills with other people. That's my main objective in making this channel. So that's number 6, focus on the present. And then number 7, our last tip, find positive friend, mentors, and coworkers. We are all learners in this world. If we want to have a positive mindset, we have to associate ourselves with friends that are very passionate about themselves, positive coworkers, because they are bringing good vibes or good environment to us. Stay away with people that always make complaints in their lives, always ranting bad things about themselves, about the community, about the country, about the surroundings. Most of the time they are posting rants in the social media like Facebook, for example. Let's say for example they are ranting about worst traffic condition in the place, or they have an enemy, they post their anger on the social media. And then people that has always complaining on anything in life, stay away from them. Stay with people that are positive, good example, that inspires others. That's all my 7 practical tips to achieve a positive mindset. I hope that I can impart a positive mindset in these tips that I share with you guys. Thank you very much for my subscriber, my new subscriber and followers of my channel. Thank you very much guys for watching. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.